Alright guys, just showed up to the job, hotel. We've been working on this for about a week and a half now. Yeah, opened everything up and starting to clean. Pre-spraying right now. She's going behind me doing the spotting, organic spotting. And I make sure a little attention here and at the transitions usually in and out of the bathroom. But this is a flow zone backpack sprayer. When you have large jobs, you need four gallons of pre-spray to lug around. So much better when you carry it on your back or have some wheels. You know, but if you're just holding on to that, no, I feel for you. So right through here, a little attention, extra pre-spray. And after she spots, and I'll start extracting. She'll work ahead of me and just scrub each roll. See, she doesn't want to be on camera, but I'll show her bottles to see what she's done. That's pretty much 6%, between 3 to 6% peroxide. And any spills, because you know it's usually organic stains. You know, coffee, water, beer, wine. This is wine territory. She just hits it like that and keeps moving. So we have a good routine. Kind of alternate. And right in front of the couch there's a little soil. So. About it for the science of pre-spraying. Alright, you know how I was talking about wine, what it looks like. Right there. Wine stain right there. So peroxide takes care of wine, guys. Have you know, between 3 to 6% is good. Yeah, wine stain, big old wine stain over here, Brenda. Alright guys, real quick. If you're in business and you're missing calls, I have the solution for you guys. Check it out below on my videos. And if you're just starting business or thinking about starting a business and you're just going to YouTube and trying to get that education, that's not the way to do it, guys, right? I offer training below all my videos also. And all the tools I use, link below all my videos too. Now let's get back to the video. Over there. Big ol'. Just dilute that whole thing. See if it disappears on contact. Better, but so a little bit of dwell time should take care of that. All right, we found another red one. Looks like they're both probably artificial colors. So got steamer out here. It's a Namco steamer. Awesome machine. White damp rag, and we got our red stain removal here. So. All right, 200 feet. So this is how we're agitating. We're not even bringing up CRB and all that stuff, you know. It's going over the areas that are dirty. You know, traffic areas alongside the bed, in front of the couch, in and out of the transition area. All right, hanging a hose up there so it don't fall down as I'm cleaning. Playing tug of war, you know, it's not fun. You need a little tug at that hose when you're cleaning. Just makes the job so much harder when you're extracting. All right, I'm gonna start it up. I'm gonna set it to 500. I'll have the heat up and I get to cleaning. All right, guys, so this is the easy part. If your prep's good, all this, I mean, it's just easy, you know? So if you don't have a good prep guy, or you're not a good prepper yourself, if you're working by yourself, jobs can suck because you have to stop constantly, treat spots with peroxide or whatever you think it is, right? But that's why we spend so much time on prep before we even extract. So this part just comes up so much, goes so easy. Right? It's nothing worse than having to stop constantly. And you know that, veterans, if you're watching my channel. If you are watching my channel and you are a veteran, go ahead and give it a like. And, you know, comment, say, put a 1 there or something, yeah? That goes for everybody. You can just put a 1 in there. That way we can get the algorithm to pick up my channel. So you may notice when I'm doing my passes, I'm not doing any, I'm not going back and doing dry passes on this carpet. Overlapping, but not doing dry passes. To save time, and plus this is very low pile carpet. It's gonna dry a lot quicker. We got the heat set good, you know. So yeah, saving time, guys. You're doing lots of square feet, commercial stuff. Know what you're working on, you know. Anyway, of course, if this was high pile carpet, I would do dry passes, but it's just not necessary, you know. I have the heat up high, what's going to help with dry time, and it's got good suction, right? Good vacuum power because it's a truck mount. If you were using it portable with not such good vacuum power, maybe you should do dry passes. So that's why it's great to invest in a quality machine if you're going to get into doing commercial. All right, lights out again. Gotta be behind the door. All right, so that red stain that was over there is gone now. So that was organic. So the peroxide worked. The other one was artificial, and we steamed it out. All right, guys, so that's it. So that was the last day for this hotel, and I kind of asked the customer, the manager of the hotel, you're gonna be using this next time, right? She said, oh yeah, our housekeepers love it. You know, you guys are so much better than the last people. And yeah, so yeah, we'll see you in another year or two. So good, another client. All right, keeps me busy through the snow season too. So that's what's awesome, guys, as far as commercial work. Residential's gonna slow down, but if you chase down that commercial, that might keep you busy. All right, see you in the next one.